Hello again, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. I want to talk to you about my 10 favorite rosemaries. Really versatile plant, great for landscapes, great for pots, great for cooking, great for helping the bees out. Also great if you have landscape problems with rabbits. Guess what? Rabbits hate rosemary, so it's a really versatile plant. But there are lots of different kinds out there. So let's talk about 10 different ones. First up, blue spiders. Really tall one, 6 feet tall, great for hiding air conditioning units, fences, garbage cans, all kinds of things. Are really wonderful. Still good for cooking. Every one of these is still a really good rosemary for cooking, but some are better than others, and we'll talk about those in just a second. Next up is Ingram. This is the one I actually have. Really versatile one, great for hiding things. Nice, low maintenance, pretty flowers. Next up is Ken Taylor, a slightly different version of Ingram. This one's a little bit more on the lavender side, not quite the true blue, but hey, you want a true blue rosemary? Here is my personal favorite, Tuscan Blue. A really great one for cooking. This is actually one of the best ones for cooking because of the oily nature of their leaves. Also an upright one, great for all kinds of things, for hiding stuff, but really just a great blue flower. So that's Tuscan Blue. Now another newer one that's kind of nice is Madorca Pink. Now Madorca is also kind of on the smaller side, about 4 foot by 3 foot, and has these nice little pink flowers. Really nice. How about some smaller rosemaries? All right, here's a nice tiny little guy. Roman Beauty, really nice for containers, for smaller spaces. As you can see, rosemaries come in all different kinds of sizes, and they're all great for cooking, but some are really great for cooking. So here are my 2 favorite rosemaries for cooking. This one's called Chef's Choice. Great name, right? Also, you can see it's kind of tiny, so it's great for little container gardens if you want to have some herbs outside your kitchen door. This is a really great one for that. And then the one that's probably the best of all the rosemaries, it's actually called Barbecue. Really big oily leaves, really so much flavor in barbecue. A really big beautiful plant. You can tell it's a big beautiful one. Even these young little plants in the store, notice the barbecue on the left side, how much thicker those leaves are than the one on the right, which is prostrate. So let's talk about prostrate rosemary. Prostrate rosemary is a wonderful one if you have a big open slope, because this guy can get about 6 feet wide, hugs the ground, great for slopes, great for tough areas where you have rabbit issues. Huntington carpets is slightly improved version on prostrate, a little bit bluer flower, but also a really good rosemary for big open spaces. So as with everything, make sure you pick the right rosemary for the space you have in your garden. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Hey, make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to get more of my garden videos. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks so much for watching.